Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to DC ramp in Fortnite. The DC ramp strategy involves gaining high ground, building ramps outwards, and then spraying down at your enemy. Named after the player DC Awesomer, this tactic is great for controlling fights from above and applying pressure. Start by building ramps to get above your enemy. Ideally, you should be able to be above them on a natural or built structure, which allows you to take advantage of the height advantage. Once you're on high ground, start building ramps outward in different directions. This movement creates unpredictable angles and makes it harder for your enemy to hit you. While you're on the ramp, use automatic weapons like SMGs or assault rifles to spray down at your enemy. The goal is to apply pressure to force them into a defensive position. Don't stay in one spot, keep moving around the ramps to avoid being an easy target. Use quick, small movements to make it harder for the enemy to hit you while you're spraying. If you've dealt enough damage, you can either push the enemy to the close and reset your position to keep the height advantage. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.